Ben Beaton here. This body of work is Flowers Intimacy, and it's really all about the unfolding of life, and it's a celebration of the growth of plants in all seasons. And I often imagine myself as an insect flying between these giant plants, and in the camera work in many of these images, that's actually how I captured these images, by running around holding my camera and sort of charging through plants and taking these photos, getting up underneath, and these insectoid vantage points is what I referred to them as. So in addition to facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants, flowers, insects have provided me with this other way, by mimicking them, of capturing interesting images, as you can see with these ones. Flowers have long been admired and used by humans to beautify their environment, but also, I guess, as images of romance, ritual, used in medicines as food sources. I mean, the vividness of the colours and is something that I really wanted to bring out in a lot of these works. I was very impressed at one time when I was looking through a camera that showed me these different spectrums of light, and the person who had the camera said, well, if you were this insect, you'd see the world this way. If you were another type, you'd see the world this way. So it was a real eye-opener, so to speak. So and the world was so enhanced, it was incredible, and that has really influenced me in the creation of these images too, and awareness of that. So in future artworks on this creative theme, I might try to integrate the vantage points of insects more so in the colour spectrums that they're looking in, and actually just work with them, perhaps in some of the paintings as well. Perhaps I might create an artwork as seen by a bee, or some such title. And one of the wonderful things about this body of work as well is that it doesn't really require any travelling. Say on my ecology, geology, deep time history of environment type aesthetic, you go to this region and there's a lot of work involved in consulting with scientists, a lot of field work, a lot of collecting of the plants. The wonderful thing about this particular theme is that you go for a walk in the afternoon, and this is really capturing what we see around us every day, and often forget, because there is an emotional investment. That's what frequently memories are. It's the emotions that imprint the memory, and these things are far more passing things, and so we have these images to hold those memories for us. But I just think it's fascinating, and it's one of the largest themes that I have. It's not any kind of intellectual pursuit, it's just nature is absolutely remarkable, and that's what this is about.